Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we learn what to say if you're lost at the airport. Airports can be big. Sometimes, it is easy to feel lost. But do not worry. I will teach you simple English. English you can use right now. We will learn new words, practice conversations, and even do a fun quiz. Are you ready? Let's start. First, let's learn some useful phrases. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where's the gate? Excuse me, where's the gate? I am lost. I am lost. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Which way is the check-in? Which way is the check-in? I need to find the bathroom. I need to find the bathroom. Is this the line for security? Is this the line for security? Where's the information desk? Where's the information desk? My flight leaves soon. My flight leaves soon. I don't understand. I don't understand. These phrases are very useful. Let's practice all together. Excuse me, where is the gate? I am lost. Can you help me, please? Which way is the check-in? I need to find the bathroom. Is this the line for security? Where's the information desk? My flight leaves soon. I don't understand. Very good. You are ready to speak English at the airport. Excuse me, where is the gate? Oh, the gate is straight ahead. Turn left at the big sign. Thank you. I am lost. No problem. Can you help me with my bags? Yes, of course. Can you help me, please? Yes, how can I help you? Which way is the check-in? Check-in is over there, next to the elevators. Thank you very much. You are welcome. I need to find a bathroom. The bathroom is near the coffee shop. Thank you. I don't understand the signs. It is okay. Follow me, please. Is this the line for security? Yes, it is. Please wait here. My flight leaves soon. Will I be late? No, you have enough time. Thank you. That is very helpful. Where is the information desk? It is on the first floor near the main entrance. Can you show me on the map? Yes, of course. Here it is. I am lost. Can you help me, please? Yes. First, where do you need to go? I need to find my gate. Okay, follow me slowly. These conversations are simple. You can repeat them slowly. Speak with friends or practice alone. Try to say, I am lost. Can you help me? Try, where is the bathroom? Try, which way is the check-in? Repeat these phrases many times. They will help you feel confident at the airport. Let's practice what we learned. I will ask a question. You try to answer. You are at the airport. You cannot find your gate. What do you say? Repeat after me. Excuse me, where's the gate? Say it slowly. Excuse me, where is the gate? Good. Now try. I am lost. Can you help me, please? I am lost. Can you help me, please? Very good. Next question. You need the bathroom. You do not see it. What do you say? Repeat. I need to find the bathroom. I need to find the bathroom. Great. Next question. You see a long line. You are not sure if it is security. What do you ask? Repeat. Is this the line for security? Is this the line for security? Perfect. Now, you need to check in. You are not sure where to go. What do you say? Repeat. Which way is the check-in? Which way is the check-in? Excellent. One more practice. You see a map, but you do not understand it. What do you say? Repeat. I don't understand. I don't understand. Very good. You are doing amazing. Let's try all phrases together one more time. Excuse me, where is the gate? I am lost. Can you help me, please? Which way is the check-in? I need to find the bathroom. Is this the line for security? Where is the information desk? My flight leaves soon. I don't understand. Repeat slowly. Repeat with me. Keep practicing these phrases every day. Practice will make you confident at the airport. Great job, friends. You did very well today. Let's review the main phrases one more time. Repeat with me. Excuse me, where's the gate? I am lost. Can you help me, please? Which way is the check-in? I need to find the bathroom. Is this the line for security? Where's the information desk? My flight leaves soon. I don't understand. Very good. Practice these phrases every day. You can say them alone or with a friend. The more you speak, the easier English becomes. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get new lessons every week. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and do not worry about mistakes. English is for everyone. Remember, airports are big, but with these phrases, you will never feel lost. Keep practicing every day, and English will become easy.